The starting point of the transfer process is the conclusion of an offer to purchase, setting out the terms and conditions of the sale. Now, once signed by all parties, that becomes the agreement of sale. The transferring attorney that is appointed in that agreement of sale will lead the transaction by requesting certain information from both purchaser and seller to enable them to draft the necessary documents for signature. In addition, the transferring attorney is responsible to obtain certain other documents. These include a municipal rates clearance certificate, a body corporate or homeowners association clearance certificate, and a transfer duty receipt, just to name a few. In most instances, you're going to come across two further sets of attorneys, these being the bond registration attorney and the bond cancellation attorney. Now, the purchase price of your property can be secured by cash payment, but as is most often the case, the purchase price, or at least a portion thereof, is secured by obtaining a loan from the bank. Now, the bank, in exchange for lending that money, will require a mortgage bond to be registered in its favour as its security, and they appoint bond registration attorneys on their panel to attend to this. The bond registration attorneys are then in a position to furnish the transferring attorney with the necessary guarantees, confirming that all finance is in place and secured for payout on date of registration. The other set of attorneys that you will most likely encounter is a bond cancellation attorney. They attend to cancelling the existing owner's bond that's currently registered over the property. The bank in whose favour that bond is currently registered will only consent to its cancellation provided that the seller has settled their bond account or that the necessary guarantees are in place for that settlement. Once all the conveyancing attorneys involved are ready, they will simultaneously lodge their documents at the deeds office. The first stage in this deeds office process is referred to as lodgement. Thereafter, the deeds go through 3 levels of examination, and depending on the deeds office, registration can be expected within 8 to 10 working days. It's at this point that a new title deed will be issued, confirming that the property is now registered into the new owner's name.